Codie for Just Nailed It, and we are here today with a blue Christmas. We are doing a blue jelly. Whoopsie. An oopsie right off the rip. Anyways, it's a blue jelly by Beatles. Let me get it out. Oh, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. It is number 793. It is in the collection Blue Jean Baby CL135. Got this off Amazon. They're 7.5 liters ml. I'm all mixed up today, but it is this beautiful blue. Beautiful blue. I don't have the foundations. I thought I did, but I can't find them. It is what it is, as Leslie would say. Leslie, I was just rewatching, so I have you on watch time. Your Hello Let's See live. She says I'm tucked away in the closet, that nobody sees my channel, and that's kind of true. I mean, nobody really sees a whole lot. I'm not sure why I'm not getting out there, but she was cracking me up. So I was away for a hot minute during her live to go find my glasses because I wear readers. And I broke the pair earlier that day that I wear because I threw them. I thought something was climbing on my chin like a spider. And I had my glasses tucked on my shirt. And, well, I threw them across the room, by George. Yes, I did. I threw them across the room. That's my own little weird in the, I don't know, somethings. I did. I freaked out and I threw them across the room. It was so funny. It was so very funny. I'm cooking dinner. I want them tilted. That will work. Isn't that cute? Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? I'm sure that sounded horrible, because in my head, it didn't sound all that great. I'm sorry, I don't know, in one of those moods. I thought it was funny. Let's get us a little snowflake. Oh, there's hearts. I didn't see the hearts. I'm sorry if I was out. There we go. Isn't that so cute? I'm not sure where I got these stickers at. Oh, buddy. I'm going to do the thumbnail next because I want to do this deer right here. I think he is the big stag of the kingdom in the wildness. That's not centered. He is the big honcho. The big honcho. Wish I could have got them on the same nail as well, but I have to stagger them and that won't look right. I'm not doing every nail. I'm going to put some bling. Got me some snowflakes. This is just the blue Christmas nail art with some stickers that I found. I thought, well, this would be cute on a blue jelly. And I love snowflakes. I think they are just so beautiful. No two were ever the same. They're always imperfect. What did I put there? I can't see. And I got Frosty in my head. I don't have no music playing. I took the music off my videos. I'm not putting it on there anymore because that's when YouTube shut my comments off. Not sure what was up with that. Not sure at all what was up with that, but that's what happened. And once I quit putting the music on, I didn't do it purposely either. I accidentally put music on for like 2 videos in a row. Comments were on. They didn't shut them off at all. I'm like, imagine that. So that's what it is. It's got to do with the music with Kinemaster. And that's who I use for now. If anybody knows of another really great editing program that's on the easy side, on the cell phone, please, please, please drop me a DM on IG. Let me know. I do pay for Kinemaster. It was $22 a year. Now they switched it up to $122 a year and some change. I am not paying $100 and some for an editing program for a year. I'm not doing it. You can call me cheap if you want, and that's okay, but I ain't paying it. I pay the $20 a year, a little over $20 a year, but I'm not paying $122 a year. It to me is just ridiculous. I love the program. I don't use a lot of the stuff on it, but I figure, wow, $122 a year, huh? I figure, you guys just must be, I mean, they are popular, I think, but wow. Let me seal my razor good. Whoops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie-daisy. I think we got our gear top coated. Now, let's see about that blade. We're just doing easy peasy here today, folks. Here we go. Oops. I'm popping her in the lamp. I'm going to put her in for a good 60 seconds. Don't forget, I do have giveaways going on my channel. I got 3 technically going on. One was Leslie's watch time. If you're doing watch time for Leslie, I need a WT in my comments. I'm running my own little incentive for the people who watch me to go watch Hillbilly's Creativity. She's almost at her 4,000. She's got a little over 500 hours left to get. She really needs the balls to the walls, as I say. That's what I called it when I was getting monetized. Everybody pulled out all the stops. All my friends and people I didn't even know come out of the woodwork. And they helped me, and I was so surprised and appreciative, and I just loved everybody truly from my heart. Leslie wants to get there too, and she's got a lot of subscribers. She has hit her 1K. She's a little over, but still go subscribe to her channel and put her on some watch time. If you can do at night, during the day while you're at work, whatever the case may be, put her on your computer at home. Oh, these glow in the dark. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't know this. How cool is that? Oh, I wish I knew where I got them from. These are Christmas glow-in-the-dark stickers, evidently. And it is so very cool. So very cool. So, ladies, I don't know. Check out AliExpress and Amazon, because it could only come from those 2 places. It's the only place I shop. Glow-in-the-dark Christmas stickers, and there you go. That was just so cool. Let me put them all in there. Let me put them in there for a hot minute. That is so cool. And they're still kind of glowing a little bit. They're so cool. I love glow-in-the-dark stickers. But check that out. You're trying it the right way. STZ1Y009, I think it says. These are super, super cool. Oh. Wish I would have used this one right here. Oh well, whatever. Let's turn the light back on. I am going to be hooking up my my ring light here very, very soon. It was a suggestion to me by a friend. I'm not naming anybody. Not throwing anybody under the bridge. She's just trying to help me out with some suggestions. And if anybody's got any suggestions, I'm all ears. It's just something to help my channel so it's more brighter and better visual, I guess you could say. But back to the giveaways. Watch time for Leslie. I got a sheet, which I'm giving away the She Modern sticky stamping polish. It would be the white and the black sticky stamping polish here. These ones. To one lovely U.S. winner. I also have on my channel a giveaway running until January of the same exact thing. So just put enter me in any video. Let me know which giveaway you want to be entered in. Also, me and Leslie, Hillbilly's Creativity, have a giveaway going on. One for makeup, one for nails. Oh, sorry, I need a drink. We don't know who's giving away what yet. We can mix things together. It's hard to say we don't know. So, to get into that giveaway, you got to go check out my giveaway for that. It's a couple giveaways back, maybe last week or the week before. Same with Leslie, Hillbilly's Creativity, a.k.a. Leslie. And all the rules are in the description box of that video. If I remember, I will link it in the description box, which would be, I know, very helpful for you. But here's our manicure. We are finito. It glowed in the dark, which was really super cool. I mean, it's simple, it's easy, and it's so beginner friendly that anybody can do this. And that's what I love about my channel. And that's what I wanted to do starting out 5 years ago. It was make it beginner friendly so that any lady that even in a pinch put this video on, get a quick idea of what I did, and she could pull it off herself. That is, to me, is a manicure. It doesn't have to be very intricate all the time. It can be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think here today of what I did for the glow-in-the-dark stickers. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.